Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove Ask Meta AI on Instagram. So all you have to do to see that feature is you have to launch your Instagram application, go to the direct message, and then you will see this blue icon at the top right corner. And then in order to use this, you just have to click this one. It will take you directly to this section where you can click this Meta AI, ask questions, slash silent, and then slash imagine if you want to generate image. Now, here's the thing if you don't feel like using this feature, and if you think that this is unnecessary to your application and you want to remove this one, well, I'm going to tell you that it's not possible since you have updated the latest version of this Instagram application or if this one is available in your country. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this new feature. So, all you have to do is to exit your Instagram application first, long press, and then click this app info. Now look for storage usage and then click this clear cache. After that, go back to Instagram and see if the new feature has been removed. If not, then you can now proceed to uninstalling your Instagram application. Once you have uninstalled your Instagram application, go to any web browser, okay, or just go to Google web browser. And then what you're going to do here is to simply search for old versions of Instagram or Instagram older versions. Then once you click this or search this, then you have to tap the very first link that you see here. Now always remember to go to a trusted website, okay? So tap this one and then scroll down and look for the specific old version of Instagram. And then after that, download and install this to your phone device. After that, once you have installed, open your Instagram again and then go to direct message and see if the new feature or ask AI anything has been removed. So I really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.